is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. With green inside, it's loved by all. A curious parrot found it near. He took a bite and gave a cheer. Let's write the letter K, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital K with a kick and a line. Lowercase k with a slant on the side. K is for kiwi, slice, slice, slice. Let's learn letters, they're so precise. The parrot shared the kiwi with a hare. The hare tried the kiwi without a care. Together they ate as happy as can be. Kiwis bring joy for you and me. The letter K is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital K with a kick and a line. Lowercase k with a slant on the side. K is for kiwi, slice, slice, slice. Let's learn letters, they're so precise. Kiwis grow where the sunshine stays. Let's write the letter K in fun new ways. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter K is next in our ABCs. Capital K with a kick and a line. Lowercase k with a slant on the side. K is for kiwi, slice, slice, slice. Let's learn letters, they're so precise.